Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to put Tesla Model Y in Autopilot, only ways. Pull the right stalk twice when lane markings are clear, and cruise control is active to engage Autopilot. Always check that Auto Steer and Traffic-Aware Cruise Control are enabled in controls, and confirm driver supervision by keeping hands on the wheel. Stay ready to take over and monitor road conditions continuously for safe use. Before engaging Autopilot, confirm your Model Y has the latest software and calibrated sensors to ensure consistent performance. Set your seat and steering for a comfortable, hands-on position so you can supervise the system easily. Check that cameras are clean and mirrors are aimed correctly so lane detection and object recognition work reliably. These quick checks reduce surprises and help Autopilot operate as intended on suitable roads. If this guide is helping, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful videos. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for crisp audio and simple voice control while you drive home. It pairs nicely for podcasts and directions at hand. Check the description for the Echo Dot link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. To engage Autopilot, double-tap the right stalk once you are on a suitable road with clear lane markings and cruise is set. Watch the instrument cluster to confirm Autopilot status and adjust speed or following distance via the touchscreen if needed. Stay attentive and ready to steer, brake, or pull the stalk to disengage instantly if the system needs driver intervention for safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.